Hello everyone, you're welcome to Game of Gambits, and here I'm going to be posting your favorite chess content. Today I'm starting off with an interesting chess endgame puzzle, and this is a white to move and mate black in two moves. This being the first video on this channel, that means whoever is watching it is viewing this channel for the very first time, so I'm requesting you guys to like the video and also hit the subscribe button. Let's grow this channel. Okay, so this is a two mover. White to move and mate black in two moves. White has a queen and a bishop. Black has a queen and a rook. So ideally, black has more points in material because a rook weighs more than a bishop. But we are saying white has the advantage and white can win in two moves. But then we are saying, how do we do that? I want you guys to first try to solve it by yourselves before we solve it together. So if you don't mind, pause the video, try to solve it, and then come back when you've found it. Good luck. Alright, so did you find the two moves that white has to play to mate black? Please let us know in the comment section what you found. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. So please share with us what you found. Don't worry whether it could be wrong, but having a very good variation that you have not talked about in the video. So whatever it is, share with us. Okay, so let's try to solve it. If you thought about capturing the queen using your bishop, does that help us? No, because after the rook capturing your bishop, the rook pins our queen to the king, and the only way to continue with this is capturing the rook, because either way you're going to lose the queen, and after that our queen also goes, and that leads to a draw, so we don't win that. That means that that's not the solution we are looking for. And even if you do it the vice versa way of first capturing with the queen still drops and checks, the rook checks us, and you have to capture the rook, and after that the king captures the bishop, and it's a draw. So also that doesn't solve the problem. Okay, so what are we going to do? Let's see, if we try to move our bishop maybe to another square along the diagonal, does that help us? After black captures the bishop, the rook pins our queen to the king. So we can't move our queen. We either way are losing the queen. So if you capture the rook and black captures back, black is actually winning because black is left with the queen. So that's also not the move we are looking for. That means bishop moves are actually not working out for us, because if you move the bishop along that diagonal, you are losing. And if you move it, if you unpin the black queen, let's say you move to f4, then that means black can capture your queen and you are losing. Straight up, you're losing. Okay, so that means bishop moves are not the moves we are looking for, and queen moves are also not possible because our queen is pinned to our king. Okay, that means the move is supposed to be a king move. But what king move? Let's see. If we thought of playing our king to maybe e8, the idea is also moving our queen to f8 while the black queen is pinned, and maybe deliver a checkmate. The problem is, when the black king captures this bishop, it leaves us in a check. That means we have to escape the check, and also we end up losing our rook, because our rook, no, sorry, we end up losing our queen because the black rook is targeting the queen. So that's not the king move we are looking for. Same thing, every move in the e file doesn't work, because after capturing, that's a check, and also e6 also leads us to a check, so it doesn't work out for us. All moves in the e file don't work out for us. Okay, what about d8? King d8. That could actually work out for us, because if we capture the bishop, then we can deliver a checkmate. That's a checkmate. The problem is, black can delay the check, the mate, sorry, by playing queen f6, and when you capture the queen, those are already two moves and no mate. Black can block using the rook, and then you can deliver a mate, but that's a mate in three moves. Remember, the puzzle is about doing it in two moves. So that's not the move we are looking for. Okay, um, of course, d, d8 is also a move. d6 doesn't work out for us because still black can check us, and then you have to capture to survive the check, and black still blocks with the rook, and you capture the rook and mate, but that's a mate in 3. Okay, so the solution for the puzzle would actually be king c8, because after c8, when black captures this the bishop, you're not mated, you're not checked. That means you can actually deliver a mate from f8, and that's the solution for the puzzle. And hope let us know what you found. If you found it, share with us. And until next puzzle, have a good day.